Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to embed Mailchimp landing page onto your site. The first thing you want to do once on the Mailchimp dashboard, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to tap on Create. After tapping on Create, you're going to select Landing Page. From here, you can give your landing page a name. Then you'll tap on Begin. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the templates page. From here, you can select any one of these templates that you would like to use. So you can see that there are numerous templates that you can choose from. Let's say, for example, I want to use this one right here, the lead generation template. All you'll need to do is select it. Then from there, you can quickly edit the template. So you can see the different element formats right here that you can quickly drag and place. And you can tap on each section and then you can go over to the right hand column and you could edit the text that is in that particular section. It is quite easy and straightforward to edit, but I won't drag out this tutorial too long showing you the editing process, as it's quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the section that you would like to change. Then from there, you could change the image, so you could tap on replace. You can also change the text by simply selecting text right here. You could scroll down and you could edit the text. If it is a case that you would like to add a new element to a particular section, you can do that also. You could tap on style right here. You could change the background color and so on. It is quite straightforward to do. Once you're finished doing that, you will tap on Save and Close in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on Save and Close, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, what I want you to do next is you're going to tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. After tapping on Publish, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, all you'll need to do now, you can simply copy your URL right here, or you can tap on Copy Link. After you have copied the link, for example, let's say I would like to add the Mailchimp landing page onto my Google Sites. All I would need to do is go onto Google Sites. Then I could tap on blank site just for example's sake. From here, you're going to go over to the right hand menu option and you're going to tap on Pages. Then you're going to hover over the plus in the bottom right hand corner and you're going to select Full Page Embed. Then you can give the page a name. So let's say, for example, I want to call it Test. Then you'll tap on Done. Then you're going to tap on Add Embed. After doing that, you're going to simply paste in the URL that you have copied. Then you will tap on Whole Page and you're going to tap on Insert. After you have tapped on Insert, you can see that we have now inserted the page that we had created on Mailchimp. So all you would need to do, if you would like to preview it, you can tap on Preview from the top navigation bar right there. Then you can scroll down and you can see right there that we have added the page and it does look quite neat. Now to publish it, all you'll need to do is tap on Publish in the top right hand corner. Then from there, you can give it a name. So we'll give it a name, Test Page. After doing that, you'll tap on Publish. Then once it has been published, you can tap on View and you'll be able to view it, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. I could go into more in-depth information if you would want me to on how to edit the landing page, but I didn't want to draw out this tutorial too long. Thank you for watching. If you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.